Hello, fashion friends and family. This is Stacy here from Sobromo, Mason Elsa Fitzgerald, and the Fashion Heritage Needle Trades Foundation. I want to tell you a bit about the Intro to Fashion Entrepreneurship. This is the course I really wish I had, which is interesting because I did a master's in fashion entrepreneurship and innovation on joint program with London Business School and New Creative Ventures. I've been working in the luxury fashion industry for over 20 years, and we just weren't taught these things. We were taught the big business of fashion. We were taught how to work for big fashion houses, but we weren't really taught how to navigate that as a startup. We did write business plans. We did create systems that were meant to prepare us. But what I really learned is that there's a different way when I actually launched my venture that would avoid the debt system. And so this particular program provides an introduction to the fashion industry. It does provide the context and the framing as to how you are intended to launch, but provides other pathways to show methods and strategies in which a startup entrepreneur with limited resources, but also may not come from the fashion industry, could kind of level up their knowledge. And even people who come from the fashion industry may not know this process. So we really advocate for leveraging pitch competitions, pre-selling your product through crowdfunding campaigns in order to test the market, in order to kind of promote your work and then, scale incrementally. And we work through that kind of timeline, but also the costing on what that looks like. And then we get you set to kind of get going. I will say it's really beneficial in order to continue that growth, to join the membership for accountability. Many of our entrepreneurs are working full-time jobs, are very heavy in the industry sectors they're in, which quite often are not coming from fashion. That's where they bring the innovation. That's where they bring some of new concepts that are kind of transforming the industry sector. Something to note, the class is $350 and you receive a manual, a guide, so that after the session, you can take that with you to continue to learn and grow. That particular session is recorded, so you will always have it for your reference. But if you are signing up for the membership, the Sobromo membership, this class is actually for free, or it's actually included in your membership, so that you are onboarded into this kind of fashion entrepreneurship journey. Well, if you have any questions, feel free to send through an email. I will always say that phone calls will not be the place to reach out to us. We get far too many inquiries that way, so we really just are able to respond via email. All right. Well, we look forward to seeing you in the Intro to Fashion Entrepreneurship workshop.